Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your existing Xcode project and adding a network layer file. This keeps code modular. Once done, create a URL request with the endpoint, HTTP method, and headers. Include an authorization header if required. Make sure to keep secrets out of source, use, and xcconfig or the keychain so you do not commit API keys. You'll wire the request into your view model or controller next, so name functions clearly for testability and reuse. You now implement the core call. Prefer async/await if targeting modern iOS for clearer flow, otherwise use data task with a completion handler. Decode the response using Codable so your models reflect the API schema and validate required fields to avoid crashes. Once decoded, dispatch UI updates to the main thread, otherwise you'll see odd UI behavior. Also add robust error handling, check HTTP status codes, JSON errors, and implement X. You complete the flow by binding decoded data into your views and ensuring all UI updates occur on the main thread. Once connected, add structured logging for requests and responses, but redact API keys. Make sure to write unit tests for parsing and integration tests for end-to-end behavior. If things go wrong, first reproduce the issue with a local mock server or Charles proxy, then verify headers, base URL, and JSON schema. This single troubleshooting step catches most misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.